point moves so that it's always nearer to A than to B. Shade the region that satisfies this condition. Right, so again, we're comparing 2 points and we need to be nearer to one than the other. The first thing you do, if you need to be nearer to one than the other, find the locus that's exactly the same distance to 2 points. And just like the previous question, here we want to draw the perpendicular bisector. So get my compass and I put it on one of the points. Let's start with B here, and you make sure then you open your compass it's more than halfway. So you can see that I'm not more than halfway. It might looks exactly halfway, doesn't it? So this just open it up a little bit more, okay? We want to make sure we're more than halfway, and I'm going to draw an arc then. Now, as I said, it's your choice. You could just draw little arcs up here and a little arc down here, okay? Or you could complete the whole arc. It's your choice. You know, you could arc top and bottom or complete the whole thing. It doesn't really matter. What does matter though, remove that compass, do not adjust that gap, okay? So put the pin then on A, alright? So put it on A, and then I do the same thing, an arc, so that they cross ultimately. So I could just do a little arc here and a little arc there, okay, so that they cross. Some people though like to just do the full thing. It is really your choice. It doesn't really matter, okay? And then I get my ruler and identify the 2 points where the arcs cross each other, and then I draw a line through that, okay? And that is the perpendicular bisector. Every point on that line is the same distance to A as it is to B. So, you know, I could even choose a point. So say, for instance, that point there. And let's just measure the distance from A to that point. So from A to that point, it is about 65 millimeters. Okay, you can see that there, yeah? 65 millimeters. Now that's going to be exactly the same as it is to B. So let's just measure that point there to B. Okay, and you notice it is, yeah, you've got 65 millimeters again, yeah? Okay, so we've got our perpendicular bisector. Reading the question, it says a point moves so that it's always nearer to A. Okay, it's got to be closer to A. Well, if you think about it, every point on this line is the same distance to A as it is to B, but if we want to be nearer to A, we need to be this side of the line. Okay, we need to be this side of the line. So that means we need to shade this region in here. Okay, anywhere on this side will be nearer to A than it is to B. Okay, and I've identified the region there.